date's 9/14/2018, and we just lost the power here. I was sitting in my room. I had the shade open on my window. You know, I always keep it open. And sitting there watching TV, and the lights flickered like 5 or 6 times. The lights flickered about 5 or 6 times, and then out the window I seen a bright ball of light, like just a bright ball of light. So I don't know. We got a transformer right here. I didn't hear nothing blow up, but it don't mean it wouldn't transform right here. Really picking up now. Power's gonna be cut back on, but for now I'm gonna go. I don't want to use up all my batteries, so I guess we'll see. Alright guys, this is gonna be the last video I do tonight because I don't want to run my battery down. I just wanted to show y'all real quick how strong the winds are getting now. It's 12:37 a.m. Date has changed to 9/15/2018. So I'm gonna wait for another gust. If you don't see it, I know you'll hear it. There ain't nothing compared to what we was getting. I mean, they're hard. Starting to be real hard gusts. And the power's still out too. It'll probably be out all night. Alright, well, I'm ending it. Alright guys, it's 9:11 a.m. Date's 9/15/2018. I was getting ready to leave and it started pouring down. The road's already starting to flood. But I still gotta go to the store. So I'm gonna go for now. I gotta go somewhere and charge my phones too, both my phones, because we still don't have any power. Since last night, we still don't have no power. So I guess I'll go ahead and post these videos while I'm gone. Peace. Okay guys, if you didn't see the video of this creek the other day, the one I told you was gonna flood all the way down there, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like now. It's starting to rise. So you could see the bottom of it. Now you can't. So probably by the end of the night, it will be way down there past that corn. You can see the corn right here. It'll be way past there probably by tonight. But that's what it looks like right now. And I figured out while the power was out, one of the power poles fell up the road here. So I'm gonna go. I gotta go. I'm gonna try to get out of here before it starts pouring down. Because actually, here's my ride right here. So I'm gone.